Good morning, student. Today we will study chapter 7 coordinate geometry. We know that in coordinate geometry we get two axes which are mutually perpendicular to each other. It is the horizontal line which is called x-axis. It is the vertical line which is called y-axis. These two perpendicular axes intersect at this point O. O is called the origin. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Is the x dash and this point is y dash. It is called the first quadrant. It is called the second quadrant. It is called the third quadrant, and it is called the fourth quadrant. The coordinate of any point at first coordinate is positive, positive. That means both are positive. The value of x is positive and the value of y is also positive. The coordinate of second quadrant is negative, positive. That means the value of x is negative and the value of y is positive. The coordinate of any point at third quadrant is negative, negative. So the value of x here is negative, the value of y here is negative. The coordinate of any point in the fourth quadrant is positive, negative. That means the value of x is positive and the value of y is negative. The point 3, 5, both are positive. The value of x is positive and y is also positive, so it lies in the first quadrant. Second number is minus 4, 7. The value of x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive, so it lies on second quadrant. Minus 2, minus 3, both are negative, so it lies in third quadrant. 5, minus 7, x, the value of x is positive, y is negative, so it lies in fourth quadrant. Distance formula. Suppose it is a coordinate axis, is a x-axis, y-axis, 2 points P and Q. The coordinate of P is x1, y1, and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Therefore, the distance between the point P and Q, that means this straight line PQ, is measured by using this formula x2 minus x1 whole to the power square plus y2 minus y1 whole to the power square. PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole to the power square plus y2 minus y1 whole to the power square. This formula is called distance formula. Exercise 7.1, question number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That means here, what is x1? The value of x1 is 2, and what is y1? It is 3. and value of x2 is 4, y2 is 1. Therefore, the distance between the points is equal to x2 minus x1 whole to the power square plus y2 minus y1 whole to the power square. When you substitute the value, that means what is the value of x2? x2 here is 4. X1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 whole to the power square plus 1 minus 3. The value of y2 is 1, y1 is 3. Whole to the power square is equal to root over 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 whole to the power square plus it become 1 minus 3 become minus 2 whole to the power square. So it is equal to 2 square become 4. Minus 2 square is also 4. So is equal to root over 4 plus 4 is equal to root over 8. So root over 8 can be written as root over 2 into 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So here we can write 2. This root over 2 remains here 2. 2 into root over 2. Here we write unit. It is the distance between the given two points. In number 3 question, you need to find the distance between the points A, B and minus A, minus B. So here the value of x1 is A, y1 is equal to B. x1 is A, y1 is B. And the value of x2 is equal to minus A, and the value of y2 is minus B. Therefore, the distance between the points is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole to the power square. When you substitute the value, what is the value of x2? x2 is given here minus A. What is the value of x1? It is A whole to the power square. What is the value of y2? It is minus B. And what is the value of y1? It is B whole to the power square is equal to minus A become minus twice A whole to the power square plus minus B become minus twice B whole to the power square. So it is equal to minus 2A whole to the power square become 4A square, and here it become 4B square. So is equal to, you can take 4 as a common, A square plus B square. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 into root over A square plus B square unit.